This tutorial video will show you how to add money to your wallet on DukaShops. Log into your account, hover over My Account and click My Products. Click Wallet. Click Add Money. Input the amount you would like to add to your wallet. Click Submit. Input your required card details and click Pay. Click Authenticate. For added security, you will need to input a one-time password, either sent to your mobile number, generated by a physical token, or via your Secure Pass app. Please select your desired option below. Enter your one-time password and click Submit. Congratulations! You now know how to add money to your wallet on DukaShops.